We are pleased to show you the 2013 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, power locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.